Hi everybody, today I am going to be doing a lash tutorial, how to apply your falsies. So I am going to be using Tata lashes in the style Bambi. Don't you just love this packaging? It's so beautiful. These are the lashes. Okay, what you want to do is first, when you get your lashes, you always want to shape them to your eyes. You always want to make sure they're the correct size for your eyelid, because sometimes they do come a little bit bigger. You also want to cut off like a little bit of the end so they're not stabbing you or hurting. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab it from the end to pull it out, and then I get my tweezers like this. And then I'm going to be using the Tardiest Pro Lash Glue. And you're just gonna put as much glue as you want. I like to put a lot because I like for them to really stick. I don't like my lashes falling off or ends coming undone. So you just put as much as you would like. Just gonna put the glue on the band. I'm starting to run out of some lash glue. Make sure you do get glue on the ends. You want to put the glue on the ends because that's the part where it'll start to fall off the most. And then that's no fun, especially if you're out and your lash is coming undone. Very uncomfortable. Okay, so you're just gonna go ahead and set that back down. You're gonna let it dry. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the other lash. And then this one, it doesn't look like I shaped this one that much, so I'm gonna go ahead and get your scissors. You can see here where it pokes out just a little bit more. You just want to trim those up a bit again so that they're not stabbing you. And then I'm gonna cut off just a little bit because, of course, like I said, they could be a little bit long for your lashes. So I'm just gonna cut off just a or for your eyelid, I mean. So I'm gonna go ahead and just trim off a bit. You don't want to ruin them though, so just a trim to fit your eyelid. Easy as that. Again, just gonna like swoop it around, get your lash glue, and then paint it on. And again, or not again, but when you cut your lashes, you want to make sure you cut the end of the lash, not the beginning of the lash, because the end is where the hair gets longer, and you don't want to cut the shorter because then you're going to have longer hair where it should be shorter. So just put as much glue as you want. And then you're just gonna set it down to let it dry. You want the glue to get as tacky as possible, because if you put the lash on with the glue while it's still wet, it's going to get very messy and just like all over the place. So in the meantime, while those are getting tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyelashes, curl them, and put some mascara on them. Some people like to put mascara, some people don't. I prefer it. It makes the lashes like look together. It doesn't look like you have like two sets of lashes. And then just put your mascara. I don't put a lot. I put a very light coat because you're already wearing falsies. So gonna try not to make an ugly face while doing this. So a very light coat. And then you're gonna curl them. And I messed with my liner just a little bit while curling my lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that up just a little bit. And then let's see how this one looks. Okay, so you can see for the most part it's dry, like in the middle. Excuse my nails, they started to break off, so they're starting to fall off. I need to get them done again. So you can see where it's starting to dry, but the ends are still a little bit wet, so you just fan it down so that it dries a little bit quicker if you're in a rush or if you just want to put them on. And then you're gonna swoop under. I like to use tweezers. You can use your fingers if you feel more comfortable using your fingers, but I like using tweezers. It helps me apply them better. Just fan it off. Blow if you have to. Okay, so you can see for the most part it is dry. It's just the ends that are a little bit wet. And then you're going to, when you apply it, you're going to want to apply it to the lash line as much as possible. Not directly on your lashes, because when you pull them off, it's gonna probably pull off your lashes and you don't want that. So you're gonna try and apply it to the lash line as close as possible. So what I like to do is I like to like pull it down like this so it's easier to apply. Oh, it's not sticking. It's still a little wet. Didn't let it get tacky enough. And then you want to pull the end and stick it in that corner, as well as this end. And then what you want to do is you want to get the end of a brush, any brush, doesn't matter, and then like a mascara brush. I'm going to be using my brow brush. And then you want to push this corner down and fuse your lashes and the falsies together. Okay, just gonna fix that a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab the other one. It's actually not dry. You can see it's still super like white. This lash glue, when it dries, it turns clear, which I really, really love because it lets you know when it's tacky and ready to put on. They have this in the Tarteist. They have it in black too, but I don't like black because I feel like it makes a mess. This one, it just dries clear, which you want it to do. I'm just gonna fan this one off. And these lashes are very dramatic. I love them so much. They're such great quality. Be sure to go to Tata Lashes. I'll put her app down below and check out her lashes. They're so beautiful. And they always arrive super quick. Okay, I think it's dried for the most part. Yeah. So again, you're gonna try and get it as close to the lash line as possible. I like to pull it down. It makes it easier for me to apply. Fix your corners. And then get your brush. And then I'm not gonna put mascara on my lower lash yet. I still need to do the rest of my face. I'll be doing that in another video, but I like to do that at the end after my foundation, my concealer, and everything is set, because I hate to like be working underneath already like done mascara that just ends up falling over. So there you have it. There's the lashes. I hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you all. Hope you all will have a good day.